Ever wondered if your wrist deserves a trophy or just a trusty sidekick? Let's find out. All right, folks, welcome to the ultimate time war. In one corner, we've got Rolex, the watch that doesn't just tick, it brags. Unboxing it feels like opening a treasure chest. Seriously, even the air smells expensive. But hold up, enter the Desi hero, Titan. No gold, no velvet, just a simple box and a bill that says discounted, no returns. Mars approval is guaranteed. Now, the price tag punch. Rolex starts at 8 lakhs. For that money, you could buy a second-hand car, a scooter, and maybe your dignity back. Titan starts at Rs1,500. Even your crush won't notice the dent. Durability check. Oops, did I just drop both? Rolex. Bro, careful. That's a luxury lawsuit. Titan. Relax, bro. I'm built for potholes and dreams. Final verdict. Rolex is for showing off. Titan for showing up. One says legacy. The other says logic. Rolex versus Titan. Pick your vibe, not just the time.